Hello everyone, and welcome to the first tutorial in our Introduction to Python tutorial series. My name is Miss Burt, and over the next couple lessons, we will be learning about the basics and introduction into Python programming. So throughout this series, we will connect to the general curriculum outcomes and specific curriculum outcomes of the Computer Science 1204 course. So our first lesson today is going to be on print statements. A print statement is used to display information on the screen. It will tell Python to show text, numbers. You can even use it to do calculations, which we will see after. So first thing you're going to want to do is open up Google Colab. You can just search that on a web browser. And you're going to be to this page where we can rename our program. So I'm just going to call it print statements. And down here is the area where we will actually be doing our coding. So in order to do a basic print statement, first thing you're going to want to do is just type the word print in all lowercase. Python can be super picky sometimes with uppercase, lowercase, bracketing, alignment, and all those sorts of things. So be very careful. So we're going to do print, and then we're going to type brackets. Normally when you type one open bracket, it'll automatically close that bracket for you, so you could type inside. And if we want to print words, we're going to have to put them in quotation marks, and we can type our message, say hello world. And in order to run our program, we hit this little black circle. It might take a minute on the first run, or it could take some time depending on your Wi-Fi connection. So there we go. So it printed hello world underneath. So print is a built-in Python function, and the words inside the quotation marks are called strings, and this tells Python to print exactly what is inside the quotation marks. So now we could print a number if we wanted to. Say the number 21. Numbers do not have to go inside quotation marks. You could just type them as is, and you can see it just prints it. So let's have a little bit more practice with that. We can try computer science 1204, and notice I have the numbers inside the quotation marks here. It shouldn't matter. You can keep, it's not really necessary. You can put them in there. As you can see, it's still printed. And now we can have multiple print statements in a row. So we can print computer science 1204, and then we can still print, oops, don't forget your quotation marks. We can still print hello world, and it's going to print these on two separate lines. Python reads from top to bottom, so whatever statement you want to have printed first, make sure you have that one on top. So yeah, you can play around with a little bit of that, and just remember to be aware of capitalization, alignment, bracketing, and all those sorts of things. And that concludes this first Python tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.